In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase QuickDeposit feature. So if you're trying to deposit checks within the Chase mobile application, let me show you on exactly how it is done. Once you're inside of the pay and transfer section, you'll be able to see the option which says deposit checks, and once you tap on it, you'll come across a similar interface where you'll have the option of adding in the amount, and you can take a picture of the front of the check as well as back of your check. Now, in order to properly endorse the check, directly beneath your signature, you'll need to write a mandatory phrase which is for electronic deposit. For electronic deposit only at Chase. So if you are not able to add in this phase, may cause the system to reject your deposit. So make sure you keep this information in mind. And once you add in all of this information, and you can just submit this, and you'll need to wait for Chase to send an immediate confirmation email stating that your check was successfully received. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use Chase QuickDeposit feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.